So what we have here is a failure to communicate. Alright, so I got silicone here, Mr. Silicone engine. You know what else I found in this thing? Some JB weld. Oh my god. This is nice aluminum, you know. You got a problem, weld it. And then go see your machinist. Anyways, I'm just line boring these cases. Well, I'm using a line boring kit. This one's Paco. And so I can do all the old transmissions and, you know, anything from 99 down, right? 98 down, 99 down, depending on what you have here. And I'm using, it's just another, let me get that up. Trying not to touch the sides. It's just another mandrel, and I'm using lapping compound. Now, there are some other tools, like Jim's makes line boring tool using I'm not sure, but you can I know there's some other ones out there, and you know, like Sun and style hones and stuff. So now let's put this here. So I'm using the 220. I like 220 on the pinion bearings. If you go too glossy, it doesn't, because I like the retention of the oil on the bearings. So just a little bit of a, you know, it's almost like having a crosshatch, right? You know, the heavier the grit with your hone, the more oil that your sleeves will retain while the piston's going up and down. Kind of the same thing. So, but you know, I don't want to go too heavy, right? So this bushing, the one that I'm knopping out right now, well, yeah, and I think last video I said something like kinetically balanced when I should have said dynamically balanced. Oh, what do you want from a boomer anyways? But anyways, this bushing is pressed in. So I mean, if you just wanted to take one of the Jim's tools and just space this bushing out, you could. You don't have to line bore it, right? But if you replace the bushing in the case, you'll have to line bore it. You can't just hone it out in clearance, because the bushings never go in straight. I don't care what you're putting them in rods. This is that rod set I was doing. See that? But you know, you press in you press in the bushing or the bearing race. It never goes in perpendicular. It always. So you want to always line bore it. So I line bore these rods together, and then I finish them. I just finish them off separate on the other lapping tool. So I just wanted to show you that. So this one here I've been working on, so I'm going to split these cases, and like I say, it's most important, your two bottom studs and your top studs. Those are your alignment studs for your cases. You know, so those are the first ones you always bring in before you bring in your other studs. Okay, I guess that's what they call a short. Her.